RT-PCR testing has become a major concern in the second wave of the pandemic, as tests are not as easily available or the turnaround time has increased. Now, the Center for Cellular and Molecular Platforms, also known as CCAMP, which is supported by the Department of Biotechnology of the Government of India, has launched an online marketplace platform to help in the availability of indigenously developed ICMR or DCGI approved COVID-19 diagnostic kits to supply to diagnostic labs and hospitals. Joining us to talk about this initiative, we have CCAMP Director, Dr. Tasleem Arif Syed. Dr. Tasleem, welcome on the show. And CCAMP Index, which is a program under CCAMP, has launched this platform in conjunction with the National Biomedical Resources Consortium. And this is mainly meant to connect testing kit buyers with the manufacturers and to make more testing kits available. Tell us a little bit about how many ICMR approved testing kits currently are available for supply on the platform, and how many of them are RT-PCR kits?
Thank you so much, Ms. Gupta, for having me here. I think we are all realizing the need for testing more, and places where we are hearing the testing availability is not there. As we just heard, with 3 lakh positive cases a day among 15 lakh total cases, I think it's almost the positivity rate of 20% that demands much more testing than we can do so that we can stop the chain of further spread. And to be able to do it, I think we'll have to have more capabilities. I think we, at CCAMP, we realized that last year, and we had begun this program called Index, supported by Rockefeller Foundation, where we strategically build the capacity to have larger numbers available when tests are needed. And today, as you just asked, I think we have capability to supply, along with our almost 100 companies which are working with us, around 500 to 700,000 kits every day, with a test every day that can actually go into the market for RT-PCR testing. This is, as you rightly said, has been done in conjunction with NBRIC, a consortium that allows different stakeholders to come together, and we're very happy that this capability can be now accessible to all stakeholders. And the marketplace that you mentioned, which has been developed by TCS pro bono, would actually help us do so to connect the developer, the supplier, and the demand side all together.
Okay, so that's an encouraging number there. You said about 500,000 to 700,000 testing kits every day. There are about 115 registered MSMEs under the program in the COVID molecular diagnostic space, I understand, and more than 30 of them manufacture ICMR approved and DCGI approved kits. How much can this supply then scale up to, and how are they're working with CCAMP? How is CCAMP working with these manufacturers on the quality and helping them scale up?
No, I think it's a very important question you make. I think the scale-up requires 2 aspects: quality assurance as well as the understanding of the demand. And we have been working with the MSMEs as well as academic partners to ensure that the quality standards come. So we have set up a different center of excellences in different places like NCBS, INSTEM, IISER Pune, IISc, CCMB, along with the labs at CCAMP to ensure the quality that requires to get approval. On top of it, the current kit capacity is nearly 900,000. So if demand increases, the capacity actually can come in, and they can hopefully do even 1 million test availability per day. So we are very hopeful that these MSMEs around 100 to 150 that you just mentioned now has the capacity and the capability to respond to this need. And we are hoping that this announcement that we have done today would allow for all institutional buyers to come and take use of it in a way.
Okay, so they can cater to about 1 million testing kits a day. That's the demand that they can cater to. But, what is the traction that you're currently seeing? Of course, you've just launched the platform, but what are you hearing from diagnostic labs, from hospitals, from governments? Because there seem to be a shortage of testing kits in several cities. Are you seeing that demand now on your platform?
No, so absolutely. So as you know, we have launched this marketplace today. We are actually now formally, so all the suppliers are already on the marketplace, and we are now formally inviting institutional buyers, state health departments, hospitals, diagnostics lab, diagnostic chains, and distribution companies to now they can come on board, register on the marketplace, and directly connect with the manufacturers and take it forward. So we are hoping in a few days, rather a week or so, we'll have already transactions happening on marketplace, which will result finally impacting more testing, which is direly in a way needed on the ground, as we know.
Okay, and Dr. Taslim, quickly, we just have 30 seconds. How what is the pricing like of these testing kits on the platform, and how does it compare to what's in the market?
So very quickly, I think the pricing has, because of now steady availability of kits. The original tenders, when government tenders started, they were around 1,700 rupees. The current tenders are at 40 rupees. That shows the almost 40% drop in terms of pricing. So we have brought down the pricing significantly because they have been developed in India. These are indigenized kits, which is high quality and affordable rates together.
400 rupees, you mean?
So yeah, so in a way, 400 rupees cost would
would
be less than 400 rupees on the ground. Yeah.
All right, Dr. Taslim, thank you so much for joining us, and of course we will be in touch with you to understand how this platform is functioning and what the demand is like for testing kits. But thank you so much for joining us.